Hi, my name is Geeta. I'm from Montreal, Canada, and I did the Certificate in Leadership and Management course this week.
And how was the program for you?
Honestly, it was really great. I'm happy I traveled to London for this course. I got to meet very interesting people, and our facilitator, Karen, really was a very engaging and supportive, presenter, and I really enjoyed our conversations.
Oh, that's great. Do you have a takeaway from this week that you think you'll apply when you head home?
Well, so I'm not a leader yet, but I think having had this course with Karen really helped me to identify some of the competencies and skills that I have as a natural leader, and the things that I can develop over time based on her teaching. So I feel a lot more confident now in a potential future role as a manager of a team.
Oh, that's brilliant. I'm going to sneak one more question in.
Sure.
So having had a week-long experience in London, would you recommend to people that they do a similar thing?
Most definitely. I mean, I don't know if November would be the best time. Dress warm is what I'll say. But I really enjoyed the ExCeL campus, and it's a beautiful area, and you'll really have a different experience than sitting in a boring classroom. This is really a nice place to be.